I've got Huawei Y7 2019, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. At the very beginning, from your home screen, select Phone Manager, it's this icon, and then first select Optimize, which is in the middle of the screen. Just tap on it and your device will automatically optimize itself. That's it. As you can see, here is the report. You just tap on Done. Then you can select Cleanup, in which you can delete some unused apps and junk files. So as you can see, you just tap on Clean, but there is no files. And also you can tap on Optimize and delete some apps over here which are not in use anymore. Then you can also check the battery percentage here, but it will not speed up your device, but definitely virus scan, which is here. Just click over here. As you can see, it's secure, your device is protected, but if you will have any viruses here, just make a quick scan, your device will delete it, and then your Huawei Y7 will definitely work faster. So actually that's it, we've just speeded up your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.